Hey everyone, welcome back to the Chopper Fit channel. My name is Brett, and not only do we make the motorcycle related vlogs and motorcycle videos, we also make
Later that same evening. The following Thursday.
Take two. Stupid car alarm went off. Not mine, someone else's. One of the ones from the 1990s. Woo, woo, Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Brett, and as always, we make the motorcycle related videos and motorcycle vlogs, and we also give away a lot of cool stuff. This one is for announcing the winner for the 750 subscriber giveaway. Just a little bit about that. We are giving away a $100 gift certificate to Cycle Gear. That's for the first place prize. The second place prize will get also some Chopper Fit swag of their choice. Whatever they want, I'll go ahead and hook them up. So I do apologize if I sound a little nasally or congested. Been hit with some major allergies lately, so I'm gonna try and get through this as quickly as possible here today. But before we begin, I do want to say thank you to each and every subscriber who is part of this channel, who has made the Chopper Fit channel what it is. Without you guys, I wouldn't have had the motivation to keep going and keep growing and keep getting better at the videos that I am putting out. So, what we're going to go ahead and do though, is hop right into it and when I find out who the winner is. So, we got our screen being recorded here. I got the URL already ready, and we are going to scroll way too far, as we always do with this. We're going to filter out our duplicate users and click Get YouTube Comments. Now there should be 60, yep, 60 comments. That's why I did my test right when the close of this happened. We had 60, so we're still on track. No new entrants have came in. So now, without further ado, let's pick our random winner. All right, and in 3, 2, 1, start. Who's it gonna be? Ty from Tennessee, you lucky dog. You get a $100 e-certificate from Cycle Gear headed your way. Man, I just sent you out some mail, some stickers, so now I get to send you out more stuff, but man, I hope you enjoy it. Get yourself a new helmet, some new gloves, new jacket. Treat yourself, man. That's all for you. Now, let's go ahead and we can also do our second place winner here. We're just basically going to pick another winner and see how this goes for the Chopper Fit merchandise. Pat W. Pat won the Lowrider Industries LED SIGs that I gave away for 500. So Pat, looks like you got some Chopper Fit gear coming your way. Both of you guys hit me up on either Instagram or Pat. I think you emailed me last time. Feel free to go ahead and do that, and I'll go ahead and work out a deal with you. I want to say thank you again for the support that you have given this channel. Again, there's times that I thought of quitting, but because of the subscribers, because of the support, I kept going and we kept growing, and it's been great. Now we have the next milestone of hitting 800, which we're just three away from 800. And then guys, I have a very special giveaway at 1,000. I don't think you can see the parts underneath my desk here, which is why I put the V-rod in front, because I was too lazy to move it. But it's gonna be really, really sweet. I promise you that. With that being said though, this has been the Chopper Fit channel. And as always, I will catch you guys on the next dark side, because this is the way. Congratulations to Ty and Pat. See you on the next one. Later.